Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to Press to Cook with your favourite kitchen buddy Dale. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to join our cooking community. Today we're diving into a mystery that's been bugging a lot of you. Strange sounds coming from your Blomberg fridge. Is it a ghost? Is it an alien? Probably not, but let's find out together. Alright, first things first, let's identify the type of noise your fridge is making. Is it a buzzing sound, a rattling noise, maybe a humming, or even a clicking sound? Each of these could mean something different, and we're here to decode it all. So grab a snack, sit tight, and let's get this fridge detective work started. Buzzing sounds can be pretty common in fridges, especially when the compressor's running. But if the buzzing is louder than usual, it could be a sign that something's not quite right. Check the back of your fridge to see if the compressor is vibrating against the wall or other objects. If it is, simply moving it an inch or two away could solve the problem. Now let's talk about rattling noises. These can often be caused by loose parts or items inside the fridge that are not properly secured. Open up your fridge and freezer compartments and give everything a little shake. Make sure all the shelves are firmly in place and that no jars or bottles are clinking against each other. Humming noises, on the other hand, are usually related to the fan. Your Blomberg fridge has a fan that circulates cold air throughout the unit. If the fan gets clogged with dust or debris, it can start making a humming noise. Unplug your fridge and carefully clean the fan blades with a soft brush. This little maintenance tip can go a long way in keeping your fridge quiet and efficient. Next up, let's tackle clicking sounds. Clicking can be a bit trickier because it might involve the fridge's defrost timer or control board. If your fridge is clicking but not cooling properly, it's time to check the defrost timer. This little gadget controls the defrost cycle, and if it's faulty it could be causing the noise. Refer to your fridge's manual for instructions on how to locate and test the defrost timer. If it's not working, you might need to replace it. Alright, so we've covered buzzing, rattling, humming and clicking. But what if your fridge is making a totally different sound? Well, there's one more thing to consider: the water line. If your fridge has a built-in water dispenser or ice maker, the water line might be the culprit. Check for any kinks or bends in the water line and make sure it's properly connected. Sometimes simply straightening out the line can stop those weird noises. So there you have it, folks, a complete guide to diagnosing the strange sounds coming from your Blomberg fridge. Remember, a little bit of detective work can save you a lot of hassle and money. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen tips and tricks. And as always, if you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. I'm Dale and this is Press to Cook. Happy cooking and happy fridge fixing.